this is Marcus Brown bringing you today's markets update. We start with the news that Chancellor Philip Hammond will look to reassure the city about the government's approach to Brexit negotiations with the EU. Concerns have been raised about future discussions as reports emerged that the British negotiation team were prepared to walk out of meetings should talks not go their way. Hammond will use this evening's Confederation of British Industry dinner to reassure a select group of chief executives that the economy will be at the centre of Brexit negotiations, and the Chancellor will encourage the leaders not to put off their investment plans. In other news, Deliveroo is on the verge of becoming a billion-dollar tech startup, as the firm has entered talks with SoftBank over a potential investment. SoftBank has recently backed a number of tech companies for its Vision Fund, and is currently in discussions to invest in the food delivery firm that would see its value grow to over $1 billion. SoftBank's fund is the largest in the world, with over $93 billion of capital, and has been backed by companies like Apple, Saudi Arabia's Wealth Fund, and Sharp. In index news, the FTSE 100 confirmed its largest monthly decline since September 2015 on Friday, closing out its first negative quarter in more than a year. Oil and mining stocks declined, along with a fall by United Utilities, which ultimately sealed the FTSE's fate on Friday. And this week we'll see a long list of results released. Property and retail will have the most activity, as Sainsbury's and Johnson Services will give updates tomorrow, whilst on Wednesday, Persimmon, Booker and Topps Tires are among the firms giving trading updates. Thursday's results include Bovis Homes, Great Portland Estates, Associated British Foods and EasyJet. Whilst in the US, Nike acted as a catalyst for a modest day of gains on Friday, as the S&P scored its largest rise since the first half of 2013. Nike shares rose more than 11% as the firm announced a pilot online service partnership with Amazon. In upcoming data, 9:30 sees UK market manufacturing PMI released, and at 1 o'clock, the Bank of England's Mark Carney will give a speech on Financial Stability Board. Thank you for listening.